In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall any program and remove leftovers without any third-party software from Windows 11. So in case you've been trying to do this, just follow me along. Now, the first thing we're going to do is fully close the program you want to delete. I'm going to demonstrate everything on the Ubisoft Connect app, and you can do this for any app that you're trying to remove from your computer, or any program or any software you wish, of course. It doesn't matter what that is. So first, close down the program, and the way you do it is just by simply clicking on the X button once it's opened up, and then the second thing you want to do is make sure it's actually closed. And the way you do this is by going down here to the right of your taskbar, show these hidden icons, and see if you can see any of the program icons down here, and if there's any icon, you want to click right click and then press quit, exit, or shut down or something like this. So make sure that's closed down too. And after this, you want to hover over the taskbar, right-click it, click Task Manager, and then in here, just type in the name of your program. So for me, it's going to be Ubisoft. As you can see, there's nothing found, but if you get anything in here, what you want to do is simply click on it and then press End Task up here, and this will completely shut down the program. Now, once you've done this, we're going to uninstall the app from the installed apps inside Settings. The way you do this is by going down here to Search inside Windows and look for Installed Apps. Click on this and you will then see an app list. So inside this app list, you want to search for the program you want to remove or simply type it up here. So for me, it's going to be Ubisoft. It's over here, as you can see, and you want to click those three dots to the right. Click on them and press Uninstall. Now, if you cannot see the installation button over here, and if there's no program inside the list, I'll show you how to get it in a second. But if there is, just follow this uninstallation process. As you can see over here, you simply want to click next, and then you want to click to uninstall everything, and then press uninstall, and this will automatically uninstall whatever program you have and want to install. Now, once it says completed, you can press close, and it should disappear from the installed apps list. Now, if you can't find it over here, but you still have it installed, you want to go to Control Panel on your computer. Sometimes this happens. A program may be kind of shown in the Control Panel, but not inside the settings. And then you want to click Programs, Programs and Features, and you want to look for the program on this list over here. In case you find it, press uninstall, and then yet again, follow the uninstallation process as it prompts you on the screen. So that's the second part. Now, third part is going to be, we're going to delete all the leftovers on our computer. And the way we're going to do this is by first going to search bar and typing in run. Now you want to click on this and this dialog box will open. From now on, we're going to be opening up this dialog box with a quick command on our keyboard, which is holding down the Windows key and then pressing R. And as you can see, this exact same run program opens up. What you first want to do is type in %appdata %, okay? And when you click on it, a folder will open up. And as you can see in here, you want to delete any possible folder that has the name of your software or program on it. So for me, there was for example, a Ubisoft folder. Let's see if there is anything in here. Then you would want to delete it. As you can see, there is a Ubisoft folder. It can actually find two over here. So if I go back out here and show you, as you can see, if I scroll down, there we go, there's the Ubisoft folder. And now, usually, there will be something in it. Right now, there's nothing. So what you want to do is simply click on it and just delete it very easily by pressing delete on your keyboard or right click, and then you want to click delete, okay? So you can also click up here where there's this delete button. You have many different ways of doing this. Once you've done that, and once you've deleted this folder from in here, you want to do the same for all three folders inside app data. And the way you can find this is by clicking up here. Once inside this folder, click app data, and you have three folders. So we have roaming, which we just deleted from, and then we also have local low, so in case there's something in here you want to delete it, and we also have the local. Now, as you can see, it doesn't appear that I have Ubisoft in any of these. So if I just scroll down a bit, oh, actually there is one. As you can see, it says Ubisoft Game Launcher, and there's nothing in it again. However, I'm still going to delete it because this folder is not needed. Now, keep in mind, if you're trying to delete a program, you may not have the name of the program in here, but instead the name of the company or the developers of that program, so you must be careful. For example, this usually happens with different games or different let's say, software such as NVIDIA, AMD, and stuff like that. Now, once you've done this and have deleted all the folders inside all of 3 of these folders, what you want to do next is again press Windows and R to open up this box. And this time you want to type in here %program files %. Press OK. And then in here, again, look for anything related to Ubisoft. So I don't think there will be anything in here. For easier access, you can just search it. And as I said, there's probably nothing in there. There we go. It says working on it and it can't find anything. Now, if you can't find it, don't worry, just go to the next step. But if you can, just delete that. And then yet again, open up Run by Windows and R. Type in %program files and then brackets x86 brackets and then %. Press OK. This will open up this kind of program files folder where yet again you want to search for Ubisoft, or I mean whatever you may have. So as you can see, this time there is a folder named Ubisoft in here for me. So you want to search for your program and then delete this folder. As you can see, it will say you'll need to provide administrator permission to delete this folder. Just press continue, enter in your admin PIN if you get this prompt, and you're done. And this will be deleted from this folder. Now, once you do this, what you then want to do is go the last time to the run command, so Windows plus R, type in C and then // program data, okay? And in here, you want to press OK yet again, and you want to look for Ubisoft yet again. If you can find the folder, just delete it. Again, as you can see, it's over here. I'm going to press delete. Yet again, it's going to prompt me for admin permissions, and the folder has been deleted. So there we go. The last thing you want to do is open up Windows and R for one last time. And then what you want to type in here is %temp%. Now these are all the temporary folders, and you can simply press Ctrl and A and just press delete on your keyboard, and this will give you an option to delete all of these data. Now it is unneeded data. There's temporary files in there that you don't actually need on your computer. You're just taking up space. And if it says folder in use or something like this, you can just simply press do useful or current items and press skip. And this will skip the ones that kind of don't want to be deleted or are just in use at this very moment, and nothing bad happens if you do that. This will take about seconds, depending on how many you have in here. You can then close this down, and you're done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you delete and program completely from your computer. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.